Hello, and welcome to today's comprehensive guide about the remarkable benefits of incorporating eggs into your daily diet, especially if you're over 50. Before we begin, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly cooked egg, its golden yolk rich with nutrients that your body craves. This simple food item, often overlooked, could be one of the most powerful allies in maintaining your health as you age. Let's explore why. First, let's understand what makes eggs such a remarkable food source. You see, nature has created an almost perfect package of nutrients within this humble shell. Each egg is like a tiny pharmacy, containing nearly every nutrient your body needs. But what makes them particularly beneficial for those over 50? Let's break down the extraordinary nutritional profile of a single egg. 6 grams of high-quality protein, 13 essential vitamins and minerals, only 70 calories, a complete amino acid profile, antioxidants that specifically target age-related issues. As we age, our body's nutritional needs change significantly. This is where eggs become particularly valuable. Let me explain the crucial nutrients found in eggs that become even more important after 50. Choline. Picture your brain as a complex network of electrical circuits. Choline acts like the maintenance crew, keeping these circuits functioning properly. A single egg provides about 30% of your daily choline needs. This nutrient becomes increasingly important as we age because it supports memory function, helps maintain cognitive performance, reduces inflammation in the brain, may help prevent age-related memory decline. Now let's talk about vitamin B12, a nutrient that becomes harder to absorb as we age. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of B12, and here's why that matters. Supports red blood cell formation, maintains nerve function, helps prevent anemia, supports DNA synthesis. Let's focus on something that affects many of us as we age: our vision. Eggs contain 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these as natural sunglasses for your eyes' delicate cells. These antioxidants protect against harmful blue light, reduce the risk of macular degeneration, help prevent cataracts, improve overall visual acuity. As we enter our 50s and beyond, maintaining strong bones becomes crucial. Eggs play a vital role here, and I'll explain why. The vitamin D in eggs works synergistically with calcium to strengthen bone structure, reduce fracture risk, improve calcium absorption, support muscle function. Here's something fascinating. The vitamin D in eggs is one of the few dietary sources of this crucial nutrient, and it's in a form that's easily absorbed by your body. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the long-standing myth about eggs and heart health. For years, eggs were unfairly demonized due to their cholesterol content. However, modern research tells a different story. Recent studies show that eggs can actually increase HDL, good cholesterol. They don't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. The nutrients in eggs may help prevent heart disease. The protein in eggs helps maintain healthy blood pressure. As we age, maintaining a healthy weight while preserving muscle mass becomes increasingly challenging. Eggs can be a powerful ally in this battle. Here's why. The high-quality protein in eggs helps preserve muscle mass, increases feelings of fullness, supports metabolism, provides sustained energy throughout the day. Now that we understand the benefits, let's talk about practical ways to incorporate eggs into your daily routine. Breakfast ideas. Classic boiled eggs with whole grain toast, vegetable-rich omelettes, egg and avocado breakfast sandwich, protein-packed egg muffins. Lunch options: egg salad with Greek yogurt dressing, hard-boiled eggs in green salads, Mediterranean-style frittata, egg and quinoa power bowl, dinner possibilities, shakshuka, eggs poached in tomato sauce, egg fried rice with vegetables, breakfast for dinner options, quick egg drop soup. Let's discuss proper egg handling and storage to maximize benefits and ensure safety. Storage tips. Keep eggs in their original carton. Store in the main body of the refrigerator. Use within 3 to 5 weeks of purchase. Don't wash eggs before storage. Safety guidelines. Always wash hands before and after handling eggs. Cook eggs until whites and yolks are firm. Avoid raw or undercooked eggs if you're immunocompromised. Check for cracks or damage before purchasing. Let's address some common questions and concerns about daily egg consumption. Q. Won't eating eggs every day raise my cholesterol? A. Research shows that for most people, dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Your body actually adjusts its cholesterol production based on what you eat. Q. How many eggs can I safely eat per day? A. Most healthy adults can safely consume 1 to 2 eggs daily. However, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide, let's summarize the key takeaways about egg consumption after 50. Eggs provide essential nutrients that become more important with age. They support brain health, eye health, and bone strength. Contrary to old beliefs, they can be part of a heart-healthy diet. They're an excellent tool for weight management and muscle maintenance. They're versatile, affordable, and easy to prepare. Remember, small dietary changes can have significant impacts on your health as you age. Adding eggs to your daily routine might be one of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make for your health after 50. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the benefits of eggs. If you found this information valuable, please share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. The humble egg truly is nature's perfect package of nutrition, especially valuable for those of us over 50. By incorporating this nutrient-dense food into your daily routine, you're making a simple yet powerful investment in your health and well-being.